People don't really know this, but as we are aging, you start breaking down your teeth, you start grinding them down, and that causes a lot of pain and discomfort. I have a lot of patients that come to me because they did have either tinnitus or ringing in the ears, or really bad temple headaches, or headaches per se. And they don't really connect that some of those headaches come from their teeth being completely broken down and their mouth is trying to function. If you're not functioning right, then your face is not gonna look right. You're gonna look with discomfort. You're gonna find yourself trying to lift up yourself to feel better, when you can, because when you have pain, your body is gonna spend more energy trying to figure out how I can dull this pain than trying to smile. We can give you veneers, we can reshape your teeth to fit the perfect crowns, the perfect porcelain restorations. Porcelain restorations had proven to long last and also to give the beauty and the function the teeth had. And once I am building up your teeth, I'm trying to build up everything in there to support my smile. Because the last thing that I want to give you is a perfect smile that will look like a denture. I want everything around that smile to support the beauty that I am going to bring on those teeth. The mouth plays an important appearance in the way how you look and in the aging process. The easiest way for you to look younger is to have a beautiful smile.